Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn top 5 writing mistakes beginners make in English and how to fix them. So for example, first one is your versus you are. So your shows the position. Your book is on the table. You are. You are learning English fast. Next we will go to the articles. Articles I have a cat is the correct one. You should not say I have cat. So a comes before consonant, and comes before the vowel sound, and the comes before the specific thing that you know. So for example, a dog, an apple, the sun is hot. Here common irregular verbs are here. Go, went, have, had, see, saw, go, have, see. These are the verbs which we use in the present tense. Went, had, saw, we use in the past tense. We will see some examples here. So, for example, yesterday I go to the market. See, yesterday you went, right? So, you have to use the past tense here, went. Yesterday I went to the market is the correct sentence. So, the next mistake is how to stretch a long sentence and you have to split the sentences here. See, for example, I like pizza. I eat it every day. There is no pause and there are two sentences. So see the second one. I like pizza. You have to pause there. Why? Because there are two sentences and you have to put a full stop. After that you should continue. I eat it every day. I like pizza. I eat it every day. Word order. Sometimes while speaking we will make lots of mistakes and we will mix the words. So I only eat sometimes breakfast is a wrong sentence. I only eat breakfast sometimes only is the correct one. And today we have learned the top 5 writing mistakes. What the beginners will make. You versus you are, and the articles a and the. The most confusing here is the articles where we have to use in the sentence. And next comes the verb tenses like past tense, present tense, future tense. Run on sentences is the words we are mixing here. And the word order, the correct word should be in the correct order. So practice makes perfect. Practice these tips and your writing will get much better fast. Curious to learn more? Click on the video right here and continue your journey. Thank you.